as we already briefed about the issues which is raising in today's arena, it is a really tough time for the doctors with my experience. In last 4 years, I have seen a great increase in litigation against the doctor. And day by day it is increasing because medical field itself is evolving field. There is a big vacuum of the law in relation to this. And that is the reason why every day some cases goes to the court of law and become a law after interpretation by the upper court. And then we need to follow. Today I take opportunity to share my experience with you all people in this arena. Because every day I see new things which is happening. I get lots of calls from country, various parts. And every day something new I learn.